Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minute. The equity markets are doing what they typically do, hold ground or push higher. The Nasdaq did hit a new all-time high earlier this morning. The Russell Index is out above a trendline resistance that it failed at yesterday. Watch about 1592. It's going to be a battleground there for that. We have our levels on the Morning Express for the Nasdaq and the S&P, so check those out. Crude oil is pulling back just a little bit here. Larger build than analyst estimates. However, API yesterday after the bell did allude to a build here. So still we're seeing a little bit of a pullback. Production, 100,000 barrels per day added on that estimated production number from the EIA. Overall, though, this morning was holding ground fairly well. Comments out of Nigeria from the oil minister and the overall oil industry. You're seeing Occidental make a bid for Anadarko, competing with Chevron on that. Overall, that's upbeat. So this is a little bit of profit taking here on the headline of that inventory report, but support is held. Tape is overall constructive. Watch the levels that we talked about in the Morning Express. For now, there's no reason to think that this rally is going to finish anytime soon. So again, watch those levels. We lay the landscape out in the Morning Express. And then lastly, with gold, gold is getting dragged higher with the treasury markets. Leading the treasuries higher is the German 10-year Bund. Now, that business climate data coming out of Germany missed for the sixth time in the last 7 months. It's just a good reminder that the overall sentiment around the globe, as well as the data around the globe, isn't as great as it is here in the United States. Or, ultimately, again, that's really another reason why we like treasuries, and they're starting to bring gold off that low. Gold's about $10 off that low from yesterday. The dollar index is a lot higher over the last 24 hours, and gold is shaking it off with that treasury move. The dollar index looks like it's going to try and break out a little bit, so keep an eye on that. It's going to keep a lid on gold unless the treasuries can really get going. Give us a call. We're here to help talk about anything on the board, 312-278-0500. You can email us info@bluelinefutures.com. Check our website for updates. You can sign up for a free trial of our research there. But remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss. It is not suitable for all investors. Thanks a lot.